Greetings, this is Dr. Karthik Natarajan from the Synapse Pain and Spine Clinic. Today we are going to talk about heel pain. Now, typically a pain that comes below the heel, that is just as you land, so that is your heel. So below the heel, the most common reason is called plantar fasciitis. So plantar fasciitis can be happening because you suddenly started walking, or normally you were walking, you started walking more or running. So this is typically plantar fasciitis. So sometimes in the X-ray in plantar fasciitis, you'll see a small bone growth, which is called calcaneal spur. So treatment for heel pain is rest, apply ice on that part. So you can either apply ice bags or you can take something like a tin, like a Coke or Fanta tin, put your leg on top of it and roll it. And also there is something called medial plantar arch. So rest, icing, arch support and basic anti-inflammatory treatment is the treatment for heel pain caused by plantar fasciitis. Thank you.